Hello.
Hello. Kitchen. Nice big refrigerator. Dishwasher, microwave, stove, coffee fixins. There's some pots and pans underneath. I didn't really go through everything, but they have blender, ice bucket.
Measuring cups.
Supplies. Like I said, there were pots and pans and things down here. Fridge is nice and big. Toaster. Sitting area. Sorry, I crossed in front of you. Queen size bed? Yeah, queen size.
Yeah, it feels like it.
Queen size. TV, some drawers. Nice big closet. The closet is a safe, suitcase holder, fire extinguisher. There's some towels. There's an iron in there too. Hangers, ironing board. Check out the bed. The bed feels comfortable. Bathroom, big bathroom. Shower, shampoo, conditioner, gel, Crabtree, which is a nice brand. Nice big sink. There's also a balcony. We're on the bottom floor, so a sitting area. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
There's no on-site restaurant, but the grounds seem beautiful. Nice little sitting area.
Yeah, I'm surrounded by the mountains on all sides.
This is a Hilton Grand Vacation. They do try to talk you into their spiel, but they're not overly aggressive. They want to give you like $250 to listen to their timeshare spiel. Did not buy that. Nice and light. Fan overhead. Came in, it was nice and cool. We'll also show you the grounds, and there is no on-site restaurant, so they gave us supermarkets, and there's a lot around here.
Yeah, there are multiple pools, multiple hot tubs.
Multiple pools, multiple hot tubs. Everything around here is going to be driving. There's not like, you can't walk to like a supermarket or a restaurant or anything. So, but see you tonight so far.